What if the reason you hate budgeting isn't because you're bad with money, but because budgeting has been taught in the worst possible way? Today, I'll show you how to budget without spreadsheets, without tracking every dollar, and without feeling guilty every time you spend money. If you've ever tried to budget and quit, this video is for you. Most people don't hate money management. They hate how budgeting makes them feel. Restricted, watched, like they're doing something wrong. Traditional budgeting says, track everything, cut everything, control everything. And that's exactly why most people stop. Because no one wants to feel punished by their own money. So let's change the definition. Budgeting is not about control. Budgeting is about permission. Permission to spend without stress, without guilt, without wondering if you're messing up your future. A good budget doesn't limit your life, it protects it. Here's the real issue. Most budgets fail because they're too detailed. People try to track coffee, snacks, gas, tips, subscriptions, random spending. That's not budgeting, that's mental exhaustion. If your system needs daily attention, it won't survive real life. So we're not doing that. Instead, we're going to use something much simpler. It's not a budget, it's a structure that works even if you don't love numbers. 3 buckets. That's it. No categories, no spreadsheets, no perfection. Bucket 1, survival. This is non-negotiable money, rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. This money exists to keep your life running. Rule number 1, if survival isn't covered, nothing else matters. Bucket 2, future. This is where most people struggle, not because it's complicated, but because it feels distant. Future you includes savings, investing, and emergency fund. You don't need to love this bucket. You just need to pay it first. Even small amounts count. $20, $50, $100. Consistency matters more than size. Bucket 3, enjoyment. This is the bucket most budgets forget, and that's why they fail. Enjoyment is eating out, hobbies, fun, travel, small pleasures. This money is meant to be spent. No guilt, no second guessing. When enjoyment has a place, impulse spending loses its power. This system works because you're not tracking every dollar. You're guiding money with intention. You don't ask, can I spend this? You already know the answer based on which bucket it comes from. Less thinking, less stress, more control. Here's how to set this up in under 30 minutes. Step 1. Look at your monthly income. Step 2. Cover survival first. Step 3. Choose a realistic amount for future. Step 4. Whatever is left goes to enjoyment. That's your system. No apps required. One warning. Don't start by cutting enjoyment. That's how people rebel against their own budget. If money feels like a prison, you'll eventually escape it. Start by protecting enjoyment, then slowly improve the rest. Most people think budgeting fails because they don't have enough money. That's rarely true. It fails because the system is too strict, the system demands perfection, the system ignores human behavior. A budget that works on paper but fails in real life is not a good budget. Let's make this real. Say you get paid and immediately move money into survival account and future account. What's left is guilt-free spending. No constant checking, no math every day. If the account is empty, you wait. If it's not, you enjoy it. Simple rules beat motivation. Budgeting is not about being perfect every month. Some months will be messy. Some months you'll overspend. Some months you'll save less. That's normal. What matters is that your system survives those months. A system that works 70% of the time is better than one you quit. Once you stop seeing budgeting as punishment, something changes. You stop asking, why am I bad with money? And start asking, how can I make this easier next month? That shift is powerful. So here's a question I want you to think about today. If your money had to support your life, not control it, what would you change first? Because budgeting isn't about numbers. It's about designing a life you don't feel the need to escape from.